Hey guys, I'm Amanda Shush my hair and I'm doing a little deep clean, like a winter deep clean. So I wanted to show you guys, this is like mostly makeup stuff. And if you're wondering about this, I have a cowlick. So I'm just trying to keep it down. My hair is a little damp, so I'm hopefully keeping it down. Anybody else can relate. It's really annoying. So this is the lovely mess that we're dealing with. I'll show you guys what I did in my bathroom with some skincare. Still kind of cleaning up, but this is my medicine cabinet, and I basically moved all the medicine into like a different area. So now it's just like skincare. This is what I've been using lately to remove my makeup, and this is like an overnight thing, and you know, just kind of like basic, like a moisturizer here, my cleanser, contact solution, all that stuff. So it's more easy for me to reach and doesn't take over all this stuff. I have like a very small space, and then under here is full with other stuff. First thing we're gonna throw away are these Real Technique makeup sponges. I've had these forever, and I don't know if you can see, but this one has like green on it, and I think it's mold. I know, it's gross. It's gross. Hold on, let me explain myself. You know, so like, you know, you dampen the makeup sponge and blah blah blah, and then I'll put it in my purse for work, and I guess it doesn't have the air circulation to dry off, so it just has this green. And this one doesn't have it, but it is kind of ratty now, and I have a new one. So yeah, I'm just gonna dump these. And honestly, I still use it sometimes. So I'm dumping it, don't worry. But I'll use it if I didn't have like another one. And honestly, is that not like an attest to my skincare? Like, come on. I'm trying to make this work and not sound as gross. Anyway, next up, we're dumping this Fenty Beauty Hot Chocolate Lip Gloss because I already purchased a new one, and this one's like basically out. It's just kind of like really goopy now, because it's basically done. I don't know if you can see. But yeah, basically done, so we're gonna dump that. Goodbye, I love you. This is like the #1 favorite lip gloss in my opinion. I love it, love it, love it, so yeah. Look at how pretty this packaging is. This is the Innisfree Dewy Glow Gel Cream. It's so gorgeous and stunning, and oh, I guess you can't really tell because it's white, but it's basically empty as well. And honestly, it's too bad that this is so beautiful because it has to go, and I'm never purchasing it again because it made my dry skin just need more moisture. Like, it's just not moisturizing well in my opinion. Like, I like to feel saturated with hydration. This just didn't give it for me, and for the price, I'll put the price around here. I think it was really, really expensive, but it doesn't give a lot of hydration. I think it's more like the price was for the packaging. So beautiful, so pretty. Too bad the product wasn't as great. Into the trash you go. This one hurts my soul to throw away. It's the Advanced Snail 92 All-in-One Cream from CosRx, and I was obsessed with CosRx and snail mucin and all that stuff. And I had like the tub of the all-in-one cream, and then I stopped using it and went to something else, and then I came back to this, and then I started breaking out after a week of using this, and when I stopped it to see if this was causing it, the breakout stopped. So it was breaking me out, and that really made me sad, but I never used it again because I don't want to break out. So yeah, it's going in the trash. And I know this is seeming wasteful, but I guess not. It's not really seeming wasteful because most of those were empty, and I'm still going through some. But I'm kind of, you know, trying to get more into stop buying like a ton of new things until I actually need something. Like, if I'm almost empty on moisturizer, then I'll go ahead and buy moisturizer. And if I feel like trying something new, then I'll try something new. But I'm not gonna buy like multiple moisturizers just to try it and make videos and stuff because, you know, at the end of the day, it's not the best financially, and I also just feel bad because I waste, like, if I did that, because like I used to do that in the past to make videos, and it just was really wasteful, and I ended up having to throw out, like, you know, stuff with a lot of product in them, and it was like wasteful, waste of my money, and it just didn't make any like sense to do that. So now I'm just trying to live a more, I don't know, not as wasteful type of life. She says that she throws things out, but we're getting better. All you can do is grow. Right? Yeah. Next up is Native deodorant. I don't know if you guys have bought this. I think I got this for cheap, like, at TJ Maxx or something. Then when I went to Target and looked at the price, it was like $16. Or like, are you joking? Are you joking? But I bought the, this is done, and I bought the spray version, and I thought the spray version would be easier, but it's actually, like, it's easier, but it's really cold, and now I'm like, oh, maybe after that's done, I'll go back to a normal one. I don't know. Next up, I'm getting rid of this Milk mascara. It's like the little, trial size one. It's their Kush mascara, and I used to really like this, but now it just, like, flakes. Like, I'll put it on, and it looks really good, but then it flakes throughout the day, and then I have, like, you know, mascara dots, and when you try and wipe it off or something, it smears, and it's like super annoying. So I'm glad this was only the trial size, and it's basically dried out, so I'm not going to be using that anymore. Actually, right now I'm using the super controversial, well, it's not really controversial, but it was in Lashgate, of course, the telescopic lift from L'Oreal, and I actually really like how it makes my lashes look. I'll do another video with it. Today's like my no makeup, I'm cleaning up type of day, okay? I really like this, and the only thing, it's not really a con, it's just more like annoying. It's just really hard to get off with makeup remover, or at least the one I'm using. So yeah, that's the only thing, but I really like it, and you know, don't need any falsies to present that it does a good job, you know what I mean? Okay, anyway, next. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. Like, this is almost at empty up to here, so it's almost done. And then this is a new one I bought, the smaller version. So I had another backup, and then I bought the smaller version because this should be done maybe after Christmas, like closer to January time. And when it's done, I want to try like a new brand. I've been using Good Molecules niacinamide for a while. Before that, I was using The Ordinary, so I want to try out a new niacinamide brand. But I do love my niacinamide. I just want to see what other brands, like maybe different textures, maybe a different finish or something. I really love it though. And if you're wondering, I like the Good Molecules niacinamide more than The Ordinary niacinamide. I said it, it's like, I don't know, like a finish type of thing, and this doesn't react with water versus The Ordinary's niacinamide gets like bubbly, and it doesn't affect it, I don't think, but it just, I don't like how like bubbly it looks, you know what I mean? Anyway. This is basically my little small tray of night stuff. You already saw the niacinamide, and then, you know, there's retinol, vitamin C, and then like some oils, and succinic acid for any breakouts. This really helps breakouts, by the way. I don't know if you suffer from them, but it kind of really helps prevent them. Rosehip oil and some eye cream. If you haven't watched my dry shampoo video complaining about Batiste, you should. This is the primarily pure one for dark locks, is the dry shampoo powder. Yeah, I really like this, and if your hair is falling out and you use Batiste or any type of other dry shampoo like L'Oreal or like big brands like that, check out that video and maybe it'll help you, okay? Look at this. I got this really cute jewelry box from Amazon, and I wanted it to be Slytherin vibes, and so yeah. Wait, hang on. This is a two-handed job. Okay. Yeah, I don't have a lot of jewelry, but this is what it looks like. Pretty cool. Lots of space. Then you have this hair, and it's like my glasses holder and stuff. So yeah, I really like this. This is the super lovely mess I made, so let's go ahead and clean up. And this one is the Ariana Grande cologne cloud perfume, and I really like it. Look how cute this is. And you can take it out, and it's still really cute with the cloud cover on the top. So pretty. I love it, and it smells really good. I don't know, everyone, you know, it's a little controversial to like her right now, but I like her perfumes, so okay, what do you guys think? Not too bad. Don't mind my bed. I will clear that off. But yeah, came out pretty nice. Pretty nice. This little owl here is my little head wig holder. Holds like jewelry and bobby pins and whatever. But I love it. It's so cute. And this is my current kind of little makeup, like everyday kind of makeup stuff. And my collection is really small from when I started this channel because, like I said, I've kind of grown and I'm like, I don't want to keep buying stuff just to buy them. I want to buy it because it's like done. And this is basically done. This is the new one. So I'm just finishing that out, and then I'm going to use that one. And then this one is, I was using it in the summer and it just isn't holding up well in the winter, so I'll just hang on to that. Concealer almost done. But yeah, just kind of like basic stuff. And don't worry, this is a newer sponge. Does not have mold on it, so don't worry. Yeah, and I bought this because my pores have been going crazy lately and thought this would help. And you know, it like fills them in, but it still is kind of oily on there, so I might, after this is done, try another trial size thing and see how well that works. But yeah, thanks for watching me clean up my little vanity area. And you know, like I said, I'm trying to live a more not wasteful life with makeup and skincare and all that. So let me know what you think about that. I feel like we're just getting ads all over the place, and it's just like capitalism is everywhere. And you know, I participate in capitalism when it comes to food, but now I'm like, do I need 4 foundations when I already haven't even finished one? No, you don't. And I get so annoyed because I was, you know, on TikTok because I like seeing people's authentic reactions or authentic reviews on stuff, and now they're like, their TikTok shop, everyone's like, get this like little cheap corduroy bag for $7, and it's like everyone on my feed is saying that, and I never looked up a bag. Or there's that Persian perfume, or those t-shirts with like your face on it to give to your boyfriend. I don't know, the ads are just getting nutso, and it's kind of ruining my vibes. I'm just gonna do my own thing, and it's like, technically they're not forcing you to buy it, they're just putting it in your face a lot. It's just annoying. Yeah. The main kind of skincare product I'm more interested in buying is serums and stuff, but those, like, you know, it takes a long time to see the use, so I can always buy one, fit it in my skincare routine, and have it last me like a month or two to see the results, and then that's how I like move to like a different product. But I don't make a lot of videos anymore because I just don't have a lot to review, like, because you need new stuff to review for makeup and beauty stuff. So it's kind of tough financially to like maintain that. And also with skincare reviews, it's like, yeah, I can try it and do a first impression. That's one thing, but you can't really give like a full review until about 4 to 6 weeks of regular use. And a lot of these like skincare, like giant skincare gurus are pushing out videos like every like week or so. And I don't know about you guys, but when I put a lot of things on my skin, it just doesn't react well, and that's what causes like dryness or patchiness or some kind of breakout or whatever. So I don't understand how like you can keep going like every single week with a new product or whatever. But that's just, I don't know, thoughts on those types of videos. And I don't know, I just feel like you need long-term use with stuff like that. Anyway, I'm on a weird spiel. Thanks you guys so much for watching. Any questions? You want to discuss what I just said? I don't know. Go ahead and let me know in the comments. Give a girl a little subscribe. I would appreciate it. Bye. I forgot I had this on the entire time. That's lovely.